Hey everybody, I'm Michael Dixon with AMT. I'm the lead applications engineer in North America, and I'll be going over some of our medical applications today. And so some primary reasons we want to use vapor smoothing for medical applications is to sterilize the parts. So by vapor smoothing the parts, we're able to eliminate porosity in the surface, which tends to harbor bacteria. And so when we vapor smooth it, it gets rid of that porosity and makes it a lot more resistant to bacterial growth. And so first up, we have a hand brace here. So this was 3D printed with HP white MJF. And so this is an actual brace that someone wears for support or for healing. And then next up, we have a leg brace. So it's 3D printed for a custom fit, which is great, a great application of 3D printing since a lot of patients have different sizes and needs. And so this just helps it to have a much better aesthetic, a smoother feel, so it's not as rough on the patients. And then next up, we have some orthotic pieces for other customers. And so these are made of a flexible TPU. And so we can smooth rigid and flexible plastics. And so this, of course, gives it a much nicer feel, a lot less grainy than the unsmoothed part. And of course, seals it against bacteria and reduces odors as well. And then on the right side here, we have some clean room parts. So these are made for the electronics industry. And it's very important in clean rooms for parts to not have any particle shedding or just be very clean in general. And so we really excel at that application with our vapor smoothing technology. And so these parts are double bagged for clean rooms so that there's very sterile parts. All right, so that has been an overview of our medical applications for AMT. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via phone or email, and we're happy to answer any questions you might have.